Gears included too. Per set, is it 40 or 50?
3 sets, about 150.
Yes, 150.
Hit.
3 million views or bust?
Forward here.
What's happening?
Ah! We got the YouTube shot. Hello everyone, this is Taejung Tees at the National Guoqian Science Museum. You recently saw that piece? The piece? Let's have fun with the makers here. Come on in. Wow. Whoa, why? What's happening?
Celebrity?
Ah, wait. How long to make this?
About a month.
A month. You might have seen the making video, but the driving part was short, leaving viewers a bit disappointed. Today more. Today we're doing something fun.
The reason?
Alright, Doc.
Yes!
Can you bring it over?
Taking it.
Yes. Yes,
What does
forward.
block the face?
Angle, Mr. Gakui. Angle.
Switching to CGI, right?
That's right. But look, our first Geeble Tank Rider. Tank Rider competition, which means from now on...
First one.
Yes, it's the first. End times, please. The first Geeble Tank Racing competition. The rules are very simple. First, drive the tank. Second, reach the finish line with the tank. Third, fire a rocket to hit the box. The fastest time wins. The road is as follows. First, there's an acceleration section, followed by a thrilling curve section. The next section looks like another curve section, but it's actually designed for drifting. Finished by hitting the box. People competition. Following this route, the 3 makers here will race. The first racer will be Chance. Second is Minbeck.
I'll show you.
The third racer is... Wow, you're really prepared for this? Jackie, who came all prepared, is the third racer.
The coolest.
Alright everyone, let's start with Maker Chance.
Wow!
Are you nervous?
Ah, yes. I'm very nervous, but I'll do my best.
Be safe.
Tell us when ready.
3, 2, 1. Start!
Time is ticking.
Oh,
Prep the gas. Raise the lever.
Please, Eckhart. Should I stop?
Stop.
I will fire.
Fire.
No again?
No. But it hit, right? It hit over that. It bounced, but there's a more.
Again. Preparing to fire.
Okay, 2 minutes, 26 seconds.
226.
226.
See the mark. See it.
Video review, video review.
Video review, VAR.
Chance requested VAR.
VAR. What's this? What's this? What's this really, sir? Can't you see?
Recorded here.
Don't you see?
It's recorded here.
No.
No, it's recorded here.
Really, Chuck? Look at this.
Really hit.
The hole from before?
Wish we did it before.
Be nervous.
Be very nervous.
Wanted to try it.
Very nervous?
Again. Are you nervous?
Okay. You can do it. You can do it. Hey. It hurts. Now drift here. Quick. And here it's a U-turn. Turn sharply, quickly.
Please do it safely.
Turn on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5-4.
Wait a moment. You okay, Mindek?
Yeah,
Mindek, your turn.
my heart. So fine.
Counting down 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
Go!
It's not there. My brain. What happened? Why not? Why stop? What is it? Battery dead? Battery is dead. Aha!
Minbeck is heavy.
Battery is dead. Hassan,
It's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
bring the battery. Please go. But it seems pointless. I might as well run at this point.
Battery replacement.
Haha.
I'm doomed. Just replace it.
Minbeck, get off.
Get off.
Yes. Turned it off.
Yes.
Complete.
Battery replacement complete. It's different.
Gas ready.
Gas ready, Chance.
Gas ready. Forward.
By myself.
Gas, gas.
You can.
Don't hit.
Hold on.
I'll do it.
Ready, set.
Got it.
Got it.
End.
Mindek, 8 minutes, 7 seconds.
No way. Ha 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 ha. Honestly, this is crazy. Shouldn't I have restarted? It's my fault for the battery.
8 minutes, 7 seconds.
Honestly, you two had no chance.
Didn't you?
Well, the battery died halfway. Ha ha.
All right, okay.
Honestly, I couldn't drift at the end. It was so fast.
Third runner, Jackie.
Is the alignment okay? You checked, right, Jackie?
Hold on.
Jackie, tell us your aspirations.
I don't know. I just hope the car doesn't break down.
Let's go.
Chanu, you haven't been broadcasting? Losing your touch.
What?
Today's star. Wow, let's go.
Ready? I'll give the signal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready, set, go.
Let's go.
He'll do well. Wow. Is he in first gear now?
What? It's fast, fast,
Well,
fast.
fast.
Fire!
Raise it up.
I'm big spicy.
We broke the 2-minute barrier.
How many seconds?
1 minute 42.
Wow. That's good.
Wasn't first gear, right?
First gear.
What gear?
Switch to second.
Foul.
It's fast. So fast.
So it seems today's race winner is decided.
Wow, Jackie, congratulations.
Yes.
There's a last place.
Last place.
We won't mention last place. We focus on the winner.
I'm last.
We don't rank, just praise the winner.
The race has already been opened.
Great job.
Jackie is first place, congratulations. The CEO will deliver the prize. It may affect salary.
What? Is it that much? I want to join. I want to ride too.
In salary talks, right?
Let's all take a lap.
Good job, everyone.
Jackie, well done.
I think I can drift.
With this thing.
Why not?
With this.
To drift, the differential must be locked. And it is. I can do it! One lap each.
Okay, try it. Three, two, one. Go!
Let's go.
Drift, drift.
More.
We can do better. feeling dizzy. This is tricky.
Oh, it's working.
Standing while riding the tank. Standing while riding!